Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor or simply Grace Lifestyle. In this video today, I'm going to be making a dessert with Jello. So we're going to start out with the sugar-free Jello in orange from Walmart. Now, we're going to start out with 1 cup of water in the pan. I already have this on. When that starts to simmer, we're going to dissolve the package. And this is, I think I did say that, it's the sugar-free one. Now, I wouldn't have reached for the orange. I don't know how that got in my cabinet. I probably grabbed the wrong one at the store. I thought it was strawberry. Anyway, so what we want to do is I'm going to cut this across here. And we are going to put this, we're going to let that start to almost simmer, and then I'll put it in there. In the meantime, let me tell you that this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hosting with me is Jean Home Decor and More and Jennifer at Home. And occasionally we do have my mountain home and kitchen, and you guys, if you decide to join us, guys, you're more than welcome. It doesn't matter what you make. You can do something simple, you can do something a little bit more. You can cook a whole dinner, you can do takeout, you can do grilling, you can do so many things. You can do takeout, guys. It's not, now that's amazing. And then once a month, I do have a special. Like right now, that's what we're doing. The special would be something that you make with Jello. So that makes it a little bit more fun. Now, I have that water simmering, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the Jello powder. I'm going to lower that a little bit. And we just want, lower that. We just want to wait until this totally, I don't know if you could see that, totally dissolves. Once that dissolves, we're going to add another cup of cold water. All right, so with that a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wait till this dissolves, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get some cold water, and I will be right back. Okay, so I grabbed a bowl, that's already dissolved. I'm gonna shut this off, move it away from the flame. All right, let me lower this a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add some cold water, another cup of cold water to this. You're going to stir this for a second or two, and then we are going to let this get a little bit cool here, and then put it in the fridge. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the fridge so that this can gel, and then we'll be right back so that I can show you how I'm going to use this. Okay, so I took out some strawberries, okay? And I also took out the ratio protein, 28 grams of protein. So instead of using ice cream or whipped cream, I decided to incorporate the Greek yogurt with the 28 grams of protein, which we get your protein intake, and that's a large amount. We have the strawberries, and then we have the Jello. So let me just cut up some of these strawberries, and I'll bring you right back. And we're just gonna do one bowl here because Matthew doesn't really like the Greek yogurt. I'm making this for him. So, but I am gonna show you how I'm gonna serve my bowl. So I'll be right with you. Okay, So we're gonna start out with putting some yogurt on the bottom. Now I'm gonna try to do this without making a mess on the sides. Okay, I don't know if you could see that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see if I can scoop this out. Let's see. If not, we'll scoop it. This looks so refreshing. Okay, now I'll move this over here. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more yogurt on top. And this adds a nice high protein. We're gonna place some strawberries now in here. This adds high protein to your yogurt. Okay, we'll just kind of place the rest around. All right. Now this is what it's looking like. This is a great dessert. Like I said, high protein. So we're using the Greek yogurt. We sliced up some strawberries and look at this. This is a perfect dessert, guys. I'm telling you, look at that. All right, now some people will use whipped cream, Cool Whip, whatever it is you decide to do. I went the high protein route. And yep, this is what it looks like. So let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Delicious, guys. Yum. God bless you.